caution, numerous birds.
Insight.
And Montgomery 100 Echo Quebec is now at 7 miles straight in 14. And Montgomery traffic, Phenom 100 Echo Quebec is 6 out straight in 14.
Yeah, we got an unusual amount of birds out here on one taxiway and runways. You guys can bring out the cannon?
Yeah, I'll get light out there.
Hey, thanks.
And Montgomery traffic, Phenom 100 Echo Quebec is now 3 out straight in 14.
Hey guys, I think that Phenom just came up short.
What? Oh shit! Going in the come.
Swing it around, we're going to come in 3-2, we're going to get on the ground.
Okay, Montgomery Unicom, this is 9400 Lima. We got a Phenom crash at the end of the runway. Call emergency services. Looks like Montcaster Mill Road.
Alright, we're calling now.
Thanks.